that much, your Pitras will be appeased. They will be happy, my dear brothers and sisters. They'll be pleased with you. But you know what makes the Pitras more pleased? When you engage in divine service to the Lord. When you engage in prayer to the Lord. When you engage in peaceful thoughts, thoughts of unity, thoughts of love that we've lost in a very turbulent world. And all of the beautiful thoughts take place in the mind. In conclusion, my dear brothers and sisters, as we sing this beautiful song, it speaks about two birds. One is the body. While we're alive, it's there so beautiful. But when the soul leaves, the other bird leaves. Aaj suno hum geet vida ka ga rahe, do dukhiare panchi bichhde ja rahe. These two birds are so used to being together, the body and the soul. But when they separate, my dear brothers and sisters, bahut dino ke saathi aaj juda honge, gumsum aakhriyon mein aansu aa rahe. These two birds go separate ways. Many years of companionship, the soul and the body, are coming to an end when we leave this world. Tears flow silently from the grieving eyes. अलग अलग राहों पर चल दिए दो प्राणी निर्दे जग में इनकी पीर नहीं जानी. Two souls are headed separate directions. The heartless world can never understand their agony. Today, thoughts of the golden days that they enjoyed together with the body and soul intact, they bring to reflection. Let us sing.
Lila